Madison Huglen's Family and Consumer Science classroom, learning often starts with something simple, like baking homemade cinnamon rolls. As a new teacher participating in Minnesota's Teacher Induction Program, she's building her own skills through mentorship and support from educators across the state.
Right now, the culinary 2 students are working on breakfast, eggs, and a dairy unit. I have just recently graduated this week, and so I'm just getting my license. I've got hooked up with all the CTE tip, the Pine to Prairie, prior to me actually starting here a couple weeks ago, so I was ready to go. My culinary teacher mentor has been super helpful for me. We have meetings once a month with our group and our mentor as well. I was introduced to ServeSafe and ProStart and a bunch of other curriculums and resources that they provided me with, which has been so helpful as a first-year teacher. If I had to do this all by myself, it would be 10 times harder, but I have so many support resources through CTE TIP, and it's just been amazing, actually.
That growth in the classroom means more meaningful experiences for her students, helping them build confidence, practical life skills, and a foundation for whatever paths they choose next.